Gentlemen, I gotta hand it to you. You have been crushing it lately. I'm talking your style, your grooming, your personal presentation is super on point. I'm talking next level incredible. Actually, after this video, you're gonna be looking next level incredible because today we are talking about how to be more aesthetic looking. You hear the term aesthetics all the time, right? In bodybuilding. Aesthetics, loosely translated, means balanced and symmetrical. It's all about symmetry and developing a balanced physique. Your shoulders aren't too big, your legs aren't too skinny, which is why we have to work legs even though they suck ass. Aesthetic equals more attractive, and there are some things that you can do in order to look more aesthetic in your clothes. And so today, I'm going over 6 easy things anybody can do to look more aesthetic. Number 1 is balance your body with color. The goal is symmetry. The goal is balance. You want to make sure that your upper body looks proportionate to your lower body. How are you going to do that? By understanding the importance of color. Dark colors make you look smaller. Light colors, bigger. Pants, same thing. Light colors make you look larger. Dark colors make you look smaller. So, if you're trying to balance, you need to understand how to mix and match the two options. If you're somebody who is bottom heavy, your lower body is bigger or larger than your upper body, you want to go dark below, light up top. On the flip side, if you're somebody who's real broad or larger up top, maybe you're a big guy and you got small little skinny legs, or you've just got a big upper body, you probably want to rock something like this. Light down below, dark up top. This helps your body balance, it's more symmetrical, and you look more aesthetic. Number 2. Shirt length. Gentlemen, it's all about nailing the shirt length. Because here's the thing, you want to make sure that your upper body is proportionate to your lower body. And the reason why I'm always like yelling about shirt length, make sure it's right, make sure it's right. If your shirt's too long, your upper body looks super long and your legs short. And on the flip side, if your shirt looks like a crop top, your lower body looks super long and your upper body looks super short. It's about balance and about being even. And so, what you should look for when it comes to a t-shirt is mid-crotch. T-shirts, mid-crotch, but button-ups should be an inch longer than a t-shirt. Really, it boils down to the 4-zone rule. There are 4 crotch zones. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, and Zone 4. T-shirts should fall in Zone 2, while button-ups in Zone 3. If anything falls in 1 or 4, it's not right. What about this shirt? What do you think? Exactly, Zone 4, which means it must be tucked. There you go, right? Yeah, just like that, right? Shirts that are too long, you tuck in. What's that? This isn't very aesthetic? No, it's not aesthetic. It's Muffin top. Muffin top is the #1 biggest offender of you looking stylish, sexy, and aesthetic. The reason is because, well, you see the reason. You look sloppy and kind of lazy and actually heavier than you are. Now, don't get me wrong. I have tried every other solution on the market. I've tried the military tuck. It doesn't work. I've even tucked my shirts into my underwear. Doesn't work. The only thing that I've ever found that works and keeps you tucked, looking sexy and aesthetic all day long, KK&J. You can reach, you can stretch, you can chase spicy senoritas. You do not have a pair of KK&Js in your wardrobe, you are totally missing out. In my opinion, this is a must-have for every single stylish man out there, because if you rock these, you automatically look better than everybody else that's not. Shirt tail garters look like mini suspenders, but instead of attaching them to your pants, you actually attach them to the shirt tails and then to your socks. And this gentle tension keeps your shirt tucked in like freaking all day long. This is why the military always looks so like taut and put together. They've been rocking shirt tail garters forever, but KK&J have, in my opinion, perfected them. It is my opinion that every single one of you needs a pair of KK&Js. You might not use them every single day, but when you tuck, you better be using a pair of KK&Js in order to look smooth, sexy, stylish, and aesthetic. Guys, there's a link down below along with the discount code. The style ROI on a pair of KK&Js is ridiculous. Like, for under 30 bucks, you get to look better than like every other dude. You always look sharp, put together, and professional. Guys, KK&Js are ridiculous. They are constantly evolving. The new patterns, the new colors, they've got limited editions. The more you buy, the more you save because they got box sets. So grab one for you, grab one for your weird Uncle Barry, guys. You can never have too many pairs of KK&Js. The 4th tip to look more aesthetic is all about your t-shirts. More specifically, your collar. So let me try and explain this. If you're somebody who works out, you've got broad shoulders, you can get away with wearing a crew neck. But if you're a thin guy or have narrow shoulders, you look better in a V-neck. More specifically, a light colored V-neck, because the light color is going to make you appear larger. The V in the neck actually draws the eyes down. Draws the eyes down, making your shoulders appear more broad. About that V, baby, yeah. You know what else is all about that V? AKA upside down triangle. You and your style, which is number 5. You need to make sure that your pants are tailored and slim fit. One of the reasons why we keep talking about slim fit, slim fit, slim fit, say that 5 times fast, slim fit, is because you want to make sure that you don't have a bunch of bagging and puddling around your ankle, because it breaks the visual illusion or the upside down triangle, which is more aesthetic. Remember, it's all about balance. You got to make sure upper body big, lower body small, but proportion, the shirt untie, it's all coming together. But it won't come together if you don't understand the importance of number 6, which is patterns. So horizontal stripes. The only people that should be wearing or rocking horizontal stripes are dudes that are thin. If you are a bigger guy, it makes you look so much larger, because once again, the eye travels across, making you appear larger. If you're a big dude and you rock a shirt like this, it's making you look like 2 times bigger because of the color, super bright, super loud, and also the stripes, horizontal. Instead, go with something like this. It's a darker color. It's also got a smaller, subtle pattern and not something that's huge. Or you can always go with a solid. Dark blues, dark blacks, dark grays always look incredible. Speaking of incredible, you're freaking incredible. And now, hopefully, after this video, you understand the importance of being symmetrical and balanced so that you always look aesthetic.